So they say home is where the heart is. But when it comes to decorating, opinions can get a little heated. Some tips go against the grain, but guess what? They work. In today's video, we are diving into 11 home decor ideas that may raise a few eyebrows, but will definitely elevate your space. Let's have fun, keep it chill, and rethink a few things together. White walls might be holding you back. White walls feel safe, bright, and clean, but sometimes they lack warmth and personality. If you think or feel like your space is bland, no matter how much you decorate, your wall color might be the culprit. Don't be afraid to explore soft pastels, warm neutrals, or even deep tones. A soft olive green, a dusty rose, or a warm beige can bring character while still keeping things light. It can be the change that pulls everything together. Plus, color has a mood. Your walls can either relax or energize you. So if you've been feeling a bit uninspired at home, try giving that blank canvas a little life. Trust me, it works wonders. Matching furniture sets are overrated. It used to be the thing. Buy a full set couch, love seat, armchair, all the same. But design has evolved. Matching everything can make your space look like a showroom, not a home. Mixing different textures, shapes, and styles add depth and personality. Try pairing a velvet sofa with a rattan chair or a modern coffee table with a vintage sideboard. It shows confidence and creativity. The trick is to make it cohesive through color, balance, and scale. It feels lived in, collective over time, and unique, which is exactly what your home should be. Fake plants are totally okay. Not everyone has a green thumb, and that's perfectly fine. While real plants bring life and clean air, they also need love and sunlight. If that's not your thing, fake plants are a great option. Today's fox plants look incredibly real. You can find great ones in local shops or online that don't scream plastic. Just give them a little dusting once in a while and they are good to go. And let's be honest, a fake plant that looks good is better than a sad, dying real one. So don't feel bad. Do what works for you. Don't be afraid of dark colors in small rooms. It's a common belief that dark colors make rooms feel smaller. But the truth is, when used right, dark tones can make small spaces feel cozy and lax. Think deep navy, charcoal, or even forest green. These colors create depth and warmth, especially when paired with good lighting and contrasting decor. Balance it out with light-colored furnitures, mirrors, or metallics. The results? A rich, moody vibe that feels intentional and stylish. Open shelving isn't for everyone. We see it everywhere on Pinterest and Instagram. Beautiful open kitchen shelves, but in real life, it can be a dust magnet and hard to maintain. If you love the look but hate the upkeep, consider mixing closed cabinets with 1 or 2 open shelves. Use those to display your prettiest dishes or plants. It's okay to admit that some trends just don't work for your lifestyle. Design should serve you, not the other way around. Rags on rags, absolutely a yes. Layering rags might sound strange, but it creates texture and coziness. It's especially helpful in open spaces or rentals where floors need a bit of warmth. Start with a large neutral base rag, then layer a small patterned one on top. You can even experiment with jute, shag, or cowhide. It adds interest without overwhelming the space. Plus, it's a great trick if your main rag is too small but you're not ready to invest in a bigger one. You don't need art on every wall. Empty walls can feel intimidating, but filling every space isn't the answer either. A little breathing room lets your decor shine. Instead, Focus on key moments: a large piece over the couch, a gallery wall by the hallway. Let some walls stay blank for balance. It's like a good song. The pauses matter just as much as the notes. Let your space breathe. Floor lamps can replace overhead lights. Not all spaces are wired for overhead lighting, and even when they are, it's not always flattering. Floor lamps can be a stylish and cozy solution. They add height, warmth, and ambience. Place one behind a chair, next to a sofa, or even in the bedroom corner. Look for lamps with dimmers or soft tone bulbs. You'll get a cozy glow that makes your space feel more relaxing and inviting. Mixing metals is a good thing. Gone are the days of choosing just chrome brass or black hardware. Mixing metals can make a space feel layered and well styled. Try warm tones like brass with cooler ones like matte black or brushed nickel. Just keep one dominant metal to anchor the look. When done right, it looks curated rather than chaotic. It's like accessorizing an outfit. A little contrast adds interest, right? Big mirrors belong in small spaces. Mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of space. So don't be afraid to go big in a tiny room. It's counterintuitive, but it works. A tall mirror leaning on a wall or a large round mirror above a console can open up the area instantly. It adds style and function. Plus, mirrors can double as art. Choose interesting frames to tie in your decor theme. Your home should tell your story. Trends come and go, but your space should reflect who you are. It's tempting to copy what's trending, but personal touches are what makes a home or a house a home. Display that travel souvenir, hang your grandmother's painting, or frame your kids' art. These pieces carry meaning and memory. Your home isn't a showroom, it's your sanctuary. Let it be full of you. That's the most beautiful design of all. There you have it, 11 decor tips that might sound controversial at first, but truly makes a difference. Remember, decorating your home is about creating a space that feels right for you. Take what feels or speaks to you, have fun experimenting, and most of all, enjoy the process. Until next time, stay inspired. Bye!